There will always be people who doubt you, people who says you are not good enough, not smart enough, not strong enough. They will try to limit your dreams because they could not reach there. But you do not have to listen them. You do not have to follow their stories. You can create your own. You can build the life they said you could not. And when you do, it would not be just success. It will be a powerful answer. You were not born to live small. You were not made to fit into someone else's idea of what you can or cannot do. If they say you can't, prove that you can, not through loud words, but through quiet actions. Through focus, hard work, and belief in yourself, every step forward is a message that says, I decide my future. You do not have to explain yourself, just grow, just move, just build. When they laugh, let them. When they doubt, let them. Their opinion is not your limit. Their fear is not your truth. The people who told you that you can't, they didn't know your strength. They didn't see your heart. But you know, you feel it. And that is enough. Use their doubt as fuel. Use their word as motivation. Let every no become a reason to keep going. You are not too late. You are not too far behind. You are exactly where you need to be to start building something great. Block by block, movement by movement, you will rise. Keep showing up, keep working in silence, keep believing, even when no one claps for you. Because one day the same people who said you could not will watch you living a life they never imagined. So take the pain, take the doubt, take the silence, and turn it into fire. Let your success name the noise. Let your growth speak for itself. Create the life they said you could not. And when you do, never forget how far you come, how strong you became, and how proud you should be. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Sketch.